In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch the World Cup on a Firestick TV. Now, there are multiple different ways that you're able to do this. Now, if you already have a subscription with like Fox, for example, then you're able to install the Fox app on your smart TV, sign into your account, and then from there, you should be good to go. What you guys could also do is you could use platforms like Sling, Tubi, and Peacock, which have already come pre-installed on many of the TVs and Fire Sticks out there. So you can use something like Sling, or you guys could also go ahead and use something like Peacock. If you do have a Peacock subscription, we have Tubi right here and even Hulu. So the World Cup is going to be available on any one of these applications right over here. So you always want to make sure that if you already have like a Hulu subscription, for example, that you use Hulu, you guys could also use live TV as well for the most important matches. So unfortunately, not every match is going to be free. Some matches will require you to actually pay for a subscription, for example, but a majority of the big ones are going to be here on live TV. Now, if you guys want to go ahead and install any of these apps over here, then what you would need to do is you would need to go ahead and go to the app menu, which is going to be like right here. And then you want to go to the search bar and then type in the name of the app. So another really good app that you're able to use is YouTube TV. So if you have a YouTube TV subscription, that's another one that you're able to use in order to watch the World Cup. So you would go ahead and install the app right over here. But if you already have like a Fox subscription, for example, then you can look up Fox. Or if you want to watch it in Spanish, which I know is something that a lot of people want to do, make sure to install Telemundo or Peacock, and you should be able to go ahead and watch it in Spanish. And then afterwards, you should be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.